The DJI Pocket 4 is quickly emerging as one of the most exciting upcoming releases in the world of compact cameras. Over the past few weeks, a wave of leaks and insider sightings has fueled intense discussion among creators, filmmakers, and tech enthusiasts alike. These developments suggest that DJI is preparing something far more ambitious than a simple refresh. Reports coming from Shenzhen, DJI's home base, indicate that engineers have been spotted testing the Pocket 4 alongside the Pocket 3 in real-world environments. This wasn't a public showcase or a promotional event. Instead, it appeared to be a controlled, hands-on evaluation focused on performance, stability, and usability before launch. Observers noted that the testing took place under challenging lighting conditions, hinting at a strong emphasis on image quality and reliability. For months, rumors surrounding the Pocket 4 have pointed toward noticeable upgrades in design, stabilization, and overall shooting performance. Now, with clearer glimpses of the device beginning to surface, anticipation has reached a new level. In this breakdown from Lenz Loop, we'll explore everything that's been revealed so far about the DJI Pocket 4 and why it could represent a major step forward for pocket-sized filmmaking. The most recent leaks give us the clearest picture yet of what the DJI Pocket 4 is shaping up to be, and the message is clear. This is not a minor update. DJI appears to be delivering a meaningful evolution of its handheld camera lineup, built with creators firmly in mind. Leaked images show DJI testers comparing the Pocket 4 directly with the Pocket 3 in everyday urban environments. These tests were conducted in mixed and low-light situations, which strongly suggests that DJI is fine-tuning both hardware and software to ensure dependable performance across different shooting scenarios. This kind of real-world testing indicates that the company is prioritizing consistency and reliability over spec sheet marketing alone. From a design standpoint, the Pocket 4 immediately looks more refined. The body appears slimmer and more streamlined, with a smoother profile compared to the slightly boxier Pocket 3. This change alone could significantly improve comfort during handheld shooting, especially for creators who record for extended periods. There are also strong indications that DJI has reworked the internal layout. Reports suggest adjustments to the gimbal mechanism and a redistribution of weight, resulting in a device that feels more balanced in the hand. This could reduce fatigue and improve stability, particularly during walking shots or dynamic movement. For vloggers, travelers, and run-and-gun filmmakers, these subtle changes can make a major difference. The control layout beneath the display also appears to have been redesigned. While leaked visuals don't reveal every detail, the button placement looks cleaner and more intuitive. This streamlined interface could allow faster access to essential settings and smoother operation while recording. It's a small change on the surface, but one that directly impacts the shooting experience. When the Pocket 3 launched, it impressed many creators with its rotating screen and powerful imaging capabilities. However, those improvements also came with increased size and weight. The Pocket 4 seems to directly address that feedback. Its redesigned frame suggests smarter engineering, possibly involving lighter materials and a more efficient gimbal structure without compromising durability or stability. Performance upgrades are expected across multiple areas. Insiders have hinted at improved low-light capture, which will be a major benefit for creators who shoot indoors or at night. Enhanced stabilization algorithms are also rumored, potentially delivering smoother footage even during fast movement. There are also indications of a wider field of view, offering more flexibility for cinematic framing and dynamic compositions. Audio performance may see meaningful improvements as well. Leaks suggest upgraded built-in microphones with better wind resistance and noise suppression. This would be a valuable upgrade for creators who prefer to travel light and rely on internal audio rather than external recording gear. Battery optimization is another area where DJI appears to have focused its efforts. Reports point toward longer recording sessions, faster charging, and improved heat management. Combined with more efficient power distribution, these changes can make the Pocket 4 more dependable during extended shoots and demanding workflows. All of these refinements suggest that DJI is approaching the final stages before release. From hands-on field testing to regulatory certifications, Every sign indicates that the Pocket 4 is nearing its official debut. This isn't just an iteration of an existing product. It looks like a thoughtful redefinition of what a truly pocket-sized, professional-quality camera can deliver. So what does all of this tell us about the DJI Pocket 4? It's clear that this camera is more than just another compact device. It represents a deliberate step forward in DJI's vision for handheld filmmaking. Every leaked detail points toward a camera designed with balance, comfort, and creative flexibility at its core. It's sleeker, lighter, and more refined, reflecting how far compact camera technology has evolved. Rather than chasing flashy changes, DJI seems focused on meaningful improvements that enhance real-world use. Although DJI has remained officially silent, the steady stream of leaks makes one thing unmistakable. The Pocket 4 is nearly ready to take flight. For creators who prioritize portability without sacrificing performance, this device could become an essential part of their creative toolkit. Something small, powerful, and thoughtfully engineered is on the horizon. It has the potential to reshape expectations for what a pocket-sized camera can truly achieve. Stay connected with Lenz Loop, because once the DJI Pocket 4 officially launches, we'll be diving deeper into hands-on impressions, performance testing, and real-world results. The future of pocket filmmaking is closer than ever, and it's shaping up to be incredibly exciting.